There are moments in your life that disappear before you even realize they existed. Not because they were unimportant, and not because they didn't matter, but because your brain quietly erased them. This video is about those moments, the moments you don't remember losing, the moments your brain deletes automatically without asking you. You walk into a room and suddenly forget why you came there. Just seconds ago the intention was clear. You knew exactly what you were about to do. But the moment you crossed the doorway, that intention vanished. This is not a mistake, and it is not a failure of memory. Scientists call this a context reset. Your brain connects thoughts to places. When the place changes, the thought loses its anchor, and your brain lets it go. It feels uncomfortable, like something was taken from you. But nothing was stolen. Your brain simply moved on to protect efficiency. It does this constantly, without your awareness. This same process happens with thoughts. You have an idea so clear that you trust it completely. You tell yourself that you will remember it forever. Then a distraction appears. A sound, a notification, a passing face, a sudden movement. And the thought is gone. Not lost, deleted. Your brain made a decision without asking you, because it believed that thought was no longer essential. Now think about your childhood. There are entire years you cannot remember at all, not days, not moments, years. This is not because nothing happened during those years. It is because your brain chose silence. Childhood is filled with more experiences than the brain can store. So instead of saving details, your brain saves patterns. It keeps feelings, not scenes, safety, not stories. That is why you may remember how something felt but not what actually happened. You remember fear without the event, comfort without the moment, emotion without the memory. Your brain decided that the feeling mattered more than the details. Sometimes you feel sad without knowing why. The emotion appears suddenly, heavy and real, but the cause is missing. That cause existed once. Something happened that created the emotion. But the memory did not survive. Your brain removed it to protect you from overload. Strong emotions place pressure on the system. To keep you functioning, your brain deletes the source and leaves behind only the signal. This does not mean your brain is broken. It means it is efficient. Your brain is not a camera. It is a filter. It does not record everything you experience. It selects. It keeps what helps you survive and quietly removes what it believes you no longer need. Every day, your brain is deciding what stays in, what fades. Conversations you barely remember still change the way you speak. Moments you forgot still influence the choices you make. Experiences you cannot recall still shape your reactions. Some moments are forgotten for a reason. Painful moments, overwhelming moments. Moments your brain decides would slow you down if you carried them forward. Other moments disappear without permission. No warning, no signal, no goodbye. You never notice when they leave. But forgetting does not mean they are gone. Every forgotten moment leaves a trace, in the way you react to stress, in the things that make you uncomfortable for no clear reason, in the instincts you trust without knowing why. Your brain remembers what you cannot. Your personality is built from memories you never access. Your fears are shaped by moments you no longer see. Your confidence grows from experiences you cannot name. The brain stores outcomes, not events. It keeps conclusions, not footage. This is why you sometimes feel drawn to something without understanding why. Why certain places feel familiar even when you do not remember being there. Why certain sounds, smells, or voices trigger emotions instantly. Your brain made associations long ago and removed the context. Forgetting is not failure, it is design. Your brain evolved to move forward, not to look back. If it kept everything, you would be overwhelmed. You would hesitate more. You would struggle to act. So it deletes quietly and efficiently. Some moments disappear because they served their purpose. Others disappear simply because there was no space left to store them. Either way, they still matter, they still shape you. Even if you never remember them, you forgot those moments, but they helped build who you are. Your brain remembers them silently, automatically, and without your permission, and it always will.